Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a little trick to getting YouTube subscribers locally. Alright, so YouTube and getting subscribers, that's all online, but you want to utilize your local surroundings and when you're out and about. And here's what I'm talking about. This right here, this little card has gotten us so many subscribers here locally in Vancouver. And I'm going to share with you how we utilize it. So you know when you're out and about, you're in the elevator, you're at the post office, you're at the bank, you're getting some food. Your waitress comes over to you, your waiter, your barista, and people always ask you the question, how's it going? How's your day going? What are you up to this weekend? Whenever anyone asks us that question, we use that as an opportunity to share that we are YouTubers, and it usually leads to a new subscriber. So I'll give you an example of how a conversation would go. So let's say we're eating somewhere at a restaurant, the Keg, and the waiter comes over and they're like, so how's your day going so far? I'll say something like, really good, I just finished filming 5 videos for our YouTube channel. When you say something about I'm filming for YouTube, I'm a YouTuber, the automatic question from the other side is, oh, that's so cool. What's your YouTube channel? 9 times out of 10, that's how it goes. When I noticed that that would happen all the time, that's when we created these little mini business cards. So this we call is a YouTube subscribe card, and its sole purpose is to get YouTube subscribers. It's very simple. It has our logo in the front and our little tagline, Dare to be Dream Driven. And on the back, it has our YouTube link, which we forwarded. So it says www.imdreamdriven.com. That's not a typical YouTube link, but basically we bought that domain from GoDaddy and forwarded it, so hard to say that, forwarded it to our YouTube channel link. So when you go to www.imdreamdriven.com, this will go to the homepage of our YouTube channel, and also the name of our business is on the front as well. So whenever someone asks us, oh, what's your YouTube channel? I immediately pull out this card because I always have my business cards with me, hand this to them, and I say, this is our YouTube channel. One, the reaction is, whoa, such a cute little card. Oh, so cool. And then they see like our little picture and our name, and it's like all official and stuff. And then they're going to pull out their phone, and then they either type in this into the web browser, or they just type this in to YouTube and our channel comes up. And I kid you not, we do this all the time when we travel, when we're on the plane, when we're checking in, at the hotel desk. Whenever we run into people, which is like, you run into people all the time that are asking you like, how's your day going? What are you up to? And so whenever that happens, we hand people this card and we always get YouTube subscribers. And especially in the beginning, every subscriber counts. So 2 reasons why we chose this size. One is I wanted it to be different. I wanted it to catch attention. 2, it's cheaper to get cards like this. I should say it's cheaper in the way that we do it. If you try and get business cards that are specifically this size, it actually costs more. But there's a hack that I'm going to share with you in a second. And 3, because this is a YouTube subscribe card, its sole purpose is to just get subscribers. So I want this cost per card to be as little as possible because I just want the subscribe card. They can throw this out after, but after they get the subscribe, then they can do whatever with this card. So this is how we get those cards. We don't get them made specifically like this size because if you do, it's going to be more expensive. We actually get the cards made as regular business cards. So this is how they normally come. And this is from Vistaprint. And if you know Vistaprint, they have really cheap business cards. And that's okay because we're just trying to get the card to be as cheap as possible because we just want the subscribe. Now, Arit, who's my business partner, she designed this card. So you have to design it where you put 2 of the sliver cards together to make one so that they're equal. And then when you get the card, you pretty much just cut it in half. And she made the black line really thin so that when you cut it, it's just like it disappears. So This is from Vistaprint, and we usually have like a whole stack of them. And there's a whole bunch of cards there that I haven't cut yet. And pretty much I'll put on a Netflix show or something or a YouTube video. And whenever we need like a refill of the cards, I pretty much just sit there and I cut like maybe 20 or something, or 30 or 25, and then there you go, you have like double every time. So you just cut 25 and then now you have 50. So there you go, I just cut the card. Very simple, very cheap to do, and I'm telling you, this works. We have gotten so many subscribers through this very simple method. We're all trying to get subscribers online and everything like that, but don't miss out on the physical people in the real world. So if you guys need help designing something like this, or Reed can do that for you, you guys can find her contact information down below, or make a comment or something on this video. She designs all kinds of promotional documents, including business cards, and she can very easily help you out with this. So I highly recommend doing this for your YouTube channel and capitalizing on those subscribers that you can get locally in your city. Like I said, we've been doing this for years and we're still doing it to this day. Alright guys, so if you found this helpful, please let me know by giving us a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.